Hello guys, are you thinking of sending your CPEN from Trust Wallet to BitMart? Wait, one wrong move and your tokens could be gone forever. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to safely transfer your CPEN tokens without mistakes. Avoid high gas fees and make sure your funds arrive securely in BitMart. Whether you are new to crypto or just want a safe way to move your tokens, this quick guide has you covered. Stick around, follow carefully, and I will show you exactly how to do it the right way. Let's get started. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your BitSmart app. If you haven't registered, it's on Play Store, also on Apple Store, also on App Store. So when you are here, you click on this deposit. You click on the deposit. So you click on the search bar here, and you search for CPEN. CPEN. So you click on it, and you copy your address. You go back to your Trust Wallet where the font is. Go back to your Trust Wallet, and you need to have 0.05. I think those could, let me just go ahead and do it whether it's really true. So I will click on the CPEN, and I will click on send. I will paste it here, paste the address here. In this amount that is here, you have to, this is the numbers of tokens of CPEN you want to transfer. As for me, I think I'll be transferring all. Yes, so I will click on this mass. I will click on mass because I'll be transferring all of them. So I will click on this next. It's loading. So after clicking next, it will ask me to confirm it. Yes, and also as you can see here, you need a network fee of 0.00009109 BNB, which was $0.04, which is very extremely low. That's why I told you to stick around with me. This gas fee is very low. So I will quickly click on the confirm, this confirm button that is here. So I will put my fingerprint on my pin, and the CPEN token is actually processing right now. As you can see, processing, transaction in progress, blockchain validation is order with. This may take a few minutes. So let me just go straight to my BNB, to my BitMart, and check. Let me go to the assets. Okay, bam, the money is here already. The CPEN token is here already. As you can see, 325 CPEN worth 0.97 USDT. Maybe they must be playing with it. So they have not really traded now, so I can't really tell if this is the amount they will really give me. So this is how you can successfully send your transfer from your Trust Wallet to your BitMart account, and just like that, your CPEN is safely chilling in your BitMart wallet. If the video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who might need it too. Have any questions? Leave a comment below. I got you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.